Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Lobos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with a voiceover. So this unit that I am going to be reviewing today was sent to me by Julia Hair. Shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. If this unit looks familiar, honey, it's because yes, your girl did review this unit, but I'll get more into that in the outro. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and this is a lace closure unit. So you cannot part this wig anywhere else. You can just it's just a closure, so yeah, keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the style in this wig, and if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. on this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, honey, so I wanted to give you all the foul vibes with this unit, okay? So this unit was sent to me by Julia Hair. Shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now, if this unit looks familiar, honey, it's because it is familiar, girl, okay? It is familiar. The company ended up sending me the same wig back to back. I think they didn't realize they had already sent me one, and honey, they sent another one. So what me and the company decided to do was to basically show you this unit straightened, because in my initial video, and I have a card or something like that, or maybe just a link down below in the description box, honey, because you guys know I'll forget a card, but I'll have that somewhere where you guys can see this unit curled, and because I did wear it curled, and I'll give you sort of an update on it. But this is a completely different unit. It's just the same unit, if you get what I'm saying. But anyways, I'll go ahead and give you guys the details and specs on it. It says type Brazilian hair wig, wig type lace closure wig. So keep that in mind, y'all. This is a lace closure wig. So you can't part this unit anywhere else, honey. What you see is what you get with old girl, okay? So keep that in mind. You can shift it, and if you want to, you can wear it as a side part, left or right. But you can't part it somewhere else. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. And as you guys see, like, this is all of the hair. So it's not really thick, and I did layer it. So that does make it a lot more, you know, layering it makes it thinner. So yeah, this is all of it. If you watch me, then honey, you already know what I be saying about my rolls, honey. Don't mind them, they are for dinner. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Child, I forgot to tell you what I did to it. I did layer this unit because I wanted it to have like that old school sort of straight look. And I wanted it to just look really natural. And I felt like it looked natural anyway, but I just wanted some layers, child, okay? I just did. And when I was straightening it and doing all the extra stuff to it, I did use my wig and weave system, Demart, whatever, shine and condition wig spray, child. This is what I used. And I also used my CANTU thermal heat guard, thermal shield, whatever. I did use this as well. And I did use my mousse, and I did use my bed head wax stick. This wax stick is always listed down below in the description box for your convenience. Keep in mind that it is an affiliate link, honey. So if you don't want your girl to get no points, then honey, you're gonna have to use another link, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I did straightening it, that's hard to say. I did straighten it in the top, and you know, apply my little ghetto fabulous baby hairs that I am still working on, girl. Like, this is not my expertise, but honey, I ain't nobody's beautician, okay? She did not go to school for that. So yeah, don't judge my struggle baby hairs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just like an easy wig. It's like an easy throw on, easy slay, perfect for fall. Love the color. I feel like if you just want a splash of color, this is like a good wig for you. If you're a little, you know, like, oh, I'm a little scared of color, this is like that wig. So yeah, I would recommend it. I do like this wig. Yeah, it's a look. So once again, if you are interested in it, the direct link to it will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.